Capture attention with outdoor digital displays. Hey there! Looking to spread the word about your business in a big way? Forget tiny social media ads or being just another commercial in a sea of many. With digital signage, you put your brand front and center. If you're ready for your business to be seen in a huge way, outdoor digital signage is how to make it happen. Those huge, eye-catching electronic billboards and displays are impossible to ignore. They're big and bold. Your message will be seen by thousands of people daily. They're high-tech. Digital displays are modern, sleek, and grab attention. You can change your message anytime to highlight sales, promote new products, or react to current events. By placing digital signage in high-traffic areas, you'll expose more potential clients and customers to your brand in their daily lives. Outdoor digital displays may seem like an expensive marketing tactic, but they're worth the investment. Eye-catching electronic billboards are a proven way to raise brand awareness, boost sales, and keep you ahead of the competition. Cut through the clutter and connect with more customers. Your brand will be the one people remember. When it comes to outdoor digital signage, size definitely matters. So take up as much space as you possibly can, and your message will get the maximum exposure. Once you have the size settled, pick a placement that maximizes visibility and traffic. Think busy intersections, freeway exits, major roadways. The more eyeballs, the better, so do some counting to determine the highest traffic areas. When placing your outdoor digital signage, location is the most important factor. Place your sign where people are entering or exiting a business. This catches their attention when they're close enough to take action on your message. Installing your sign at a stoplight or crosswalk means drivers and pedestrians will view your content while waiting for the light to change or traffic to clear. Mount your digital display at a height where most people will naturally look, around 5 to 7 feet high. This makes your content easy to see and engage with as people are walking or driving by. Some tips for creating impactful content. With just a few seconds to capture attention, use an attention-grabbing headline and minimal text. Around 6 to 8 words is ideal. Bright colors and big text are most visible from far away, and high contrast is eye-catching. Feature product photos, service graphics, or your company logo when relevant. Provide useful information, an irresistible offer or promotion or entertainment. Give viewers a reason to take interest in your message. Update your content frequently to capture return viewers and give people a reason to look at your sign more than once. Location and strategic placement are essential for maximizing visibility, but captivating content is what will turn views into action. To capture and keep the attention of viewers, the content on your outdoor digital displays needs to be dynamic and engaging. Don't just repeat the same content over and over. You might promote a new product one day, highlight a sale the next day, and feature an inspirational message the day after that. Using a mix of dynamic visual and textual content that is frequently updated and rotated will transform your outdoor digital displays into an engaging platform for grabbing attention and sharing your message with audiences on the go. Tracking key metrics will show you what's working and what could use improvement. If viewers are only watching for a few seconds, you may need to make your messaging more concise or eye-catching. Low conversion could be a targeting, creative, or even technical issue. Don't be afraid to experiment with different content, formats, timing, motion, and more. You might try changing the copy or visuals, using video instead of static images, or displaying at a different time of day. Keep testing new versions to see which ones resonate most with your audience. Continually monitoring performance, optimizing based on insights, and testing new alternatives will help ensure your outdoor digital display achieves maximum impact. With eye-catching displays, you can promote sales, build your brand, and engage customers like never before. Outdoor digital displays are a smart investment that will transform how people see your business. Go ahead, make a splash and get people buzzing about what you have to offer.